There's this machine at my mom and papa's house outside that emits like a high pitch or frequency. I'm not sure of the difference. Humans can't really hear them because it's only a pitch or frequency that raccoons and squirrels can hear. I could hear it because I'm young.
I can
like
hear it
my
too.
mom and papa can't hear it because they're old. There's something about being old that makes you not be able to hear certain frequencies, whatever.
That's crazy.
I would test if you could be able to hear it because guess what, buddy? I don't think you
No,
would.
I think I would.
Let's play a little bit and see what we
Okay,
can
but what
hear.
if it like makes someone crash their car?
Guys, there's a high frequency sound coming. So if you're young, be aware. Maybe turn the volume down. Okay. Oh, yeah, I can hear that.
Jesus Christ, I can hear that.
If you, oh, yeah, I can hear that.
No, it's making me get like a pull muscle.
Yeah, I can hear that too.
Yeah, that's true. I can hear that.
That one's getting lower.
That's it.
Wow.
Cool.
But that was the
Good to know.